In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recording in GoToMeeting. Whether you're hosting a critical meeting or planning to share the session with participants who couldn't make it, capturing every detail through an efficient recording can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's walk through this process together. First things first, to get started with recording in GoToMeeting, you need to be the host and have already initiated the meeting. You're likely familiar with the basic setup at this point, and when you find yourself on the meeting dashboard, let's focus our attention on the lower left corner of your screen. In this section, you'll notice an option labeled Recording. This is your command center for capturing the session. With a simple click on this button, you can initiate the recording process. It's that easy. Remember, while recording is underway, you might find the need to take a brief pause, perhaps to address any technical issues or simply to skip over some informal chatter. In such cases, all you need to do is click the recording button again, and this action will temporarily halt the recording. When you're ready to resume, another click will set things back in motion. This functionality allows you to maintain a seamless, polished presentation when you revisit the recording later. Now, as your meeting draws to an end, here's a handy feature. You don't need to worry about manually saving your recording after the meeting wraps up. GoToMeeting takes care of this by automatically saving your recording to your computer's default recording folder. However, for the system to save it to your desired location, you must ensure this destination is correctly set up in your GoToMeeting settings beforehand. If you're unsure about where it's saving the files, it may be worthwhile to check or adjust settings ahead of time to avoid any unnecessary confusion later. Taking these steps ensures you have a comprehensive recording of your meeting to refer back to or share. It's a great way to enhance productivity and communication within your team, as well as a reliable method to hold on to important information. By recording your meetings, you make sure no detail gets lost, even for those who may have missed joining live. And that wraps up our guide on enabling recording in GoToMeeting. If you ever need to review these steps again, feel free to replay this video or check GoToMeeting's support resources. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with all of your future recordings.